Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to draw circles wherever you click your mouse in processing. So this is a super easy way to make your sketch interactive. So let's start with the setup function. I've taken size 400 to make the canvas. Now let's write the draw function. I've set the background to white using background 255, and finally I have added one line ellipse. So that's it guys. Let's run this and see what we get. So when I run this and my mouse around, it draws a circle that follows my mouse. If I click and hold, it looks like I'm dragging the circle. So just with a few lines of code, we made our sketch interactive. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching.